Hi friends, are you interested in science, particularly in biology? Then this is video for you. Today I am here to share some name of the branches of science and what they deal with. Are you ready? Let's get going. The study of bone is called osteology. The study of liver is called hepatology. The study of kidney is called nephrology. The study of eyes is called ophthalmology. The study of blood is called hematology. The study of fungi is called mycology. The study of algae is called phycology. The study of fruit is called pomology. The study of virus is called virology. The study of cancer is called oncology. The study of bird is called ornithology. The study of egg is called oology. The study of hair is called trichology. The study of soil is called pedology. The study of cell is called cytology. The study of tissue is called histology. The study of animal is called zoology. The study of plant is called botany. The study of human body is called psychology. The study of heart is called cardiology. The study of inscription is called epigraphy. The study of earth is called geology. The study of music is called musicology. The study of muscle is called myology. The study of map is called cartology. The study of air is called aerology. The study of climate is called climatology. The study of cloud is called nephology. The study of rock is called lithology. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my work, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.